How to easily set priority in Task Manager. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head toward Task Manager. So for a shortcut, simply click Ctrl, Shift and Escape altogether. After that, shortly the window of Task Manager will appear on your screen. Then after, go to Process from the left hand side menu. Right click on any one of the processes which you want to set as a priority. Then from the little menu, simply go to the details. After that process opens in detail, again right click on it. And from that menu, go to set priority. Then after, go to set priority drop down, and from here you can simply choose the type of priority you want to set this process. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.